Hello kids, today we are going to learn gestures. We should always say thank you whenever someone helps us. In this flashcard, the girl says thank you for the dress. Another girl is helping her out to choose. So, we should always thank anyone who helps us. If we hurt someone, we should always say, "I'm sorry," because that's a very good gesture. We should never hurt anyone. In this flashcard, a girl hurts a boy while riding a cycle. So she says, "I'm sorry." Whenever we meet someone, we should always say hello. In this flashcard, the girl meets her friend Dolly. So she greets her by saying, "Hello, Dolly." We should always help everyone which requires or needs our help. In this flashcard, the old lady wants to cross the road. So she asks the other man, "Please help me." In the same way, the man helps the old lady to cross the road. We should always ask anyone if we require something, "Excuse me," and then we should ask for help. In this flashcard, the girl is asking for the orange juice. So she says, "Excuse me, give me one orange juice." So the lady gives her the juice. If we see someone needs a help, we should always ask first, "May I help you?" Like in this flashcard, the boy asked another boy, "Can he help him to clean the car?" So he asked him, "May I help you, please?" These are very good gestures which we should use in our life to be a good person. Thank you.